GRE test is more difficult compared to such tests like SAT or ACT, because the GRE exam is a graduate level test designed to measure the ability of the applicant to study graduate level courses, while ACT or SAT are undergraduate tests. GRE test may be comparable to GMAT in difficulty. GRE exam has a more difficult math section and harder reading and writing sections. If you plan on taking the GRE test, you should be prepared for difficulty of the GRE exam and study well. GRE test is hard, not only for you, but for most other GRE test takers. Do not get discouraged and give up. Just keep studying well for GRE exam. You can see GRE test resources and links in the description of this video below. On another note, the GRE test is less hard than the GMAT exam, for example. It is worth mentioning here that GRE exam may be harder than actual graduate program. If you plan to attend after passing the GRE exam, this is what happened with my MBA. GMAT exam preparation was hard. GMAT test itself was hard, but MBA program was easier for me and more fun. That's why I think that GRE exam is just a filter test to filter out those who are not serious about actually going through graduate program.